Good afternoon, Meteorologist Alan Rose here with a News 5 weather and traffic update. If you're seeing a little bit of a whiter sky, less of that dark gray in Colorado Springs, here's the reason why. The back edge of this system beginning to exit parts of northern El Paso County and areas to the north. So might see some drier conditions for a couple of hours. I think we're not done though. If you notice, there's a secondary batch of snow building into Parker and Teller counties with snow falling right now, right around Divide. And even up towards Monument, the snow not done falling here just yet. Down south, we are seeing some heavier snow in southern parts of El Paso County. That's that leading edge of the heavy stuff we saw in the Springs about an hour to an hour and a half ago. But look, some drier moving into Pueblo West and Pueblo proper. So when does the snow end? If you watch some of these cut-ins throughout the afternoon hours, you're going to notice these times are updated. I moved them up a bit. I've looked at some different forecast models and tools back in the Weather Center. I think Monument and Woodland Park, it ends anywhere between 3 to 5. For the Springs, probably coming to an end here in the next hour or two. But if that second batch moves through, we can't rule out some additional snow showers. Pueblo and Canyon City between 4 and 6. The same goes for the Plains. So let's take a look at this updated weather model I was talking about. You can see it clears the snow out much more quickly by 4 o'clock, only into parts of southeastern El Paso County. But there's that secondary squall line over Woodland Park and Monument. This wants to keep it over the central mountains in Teller County. Doesn't really move it south into the Springs. I think we will still see some showers though and snow falling through early this evening before we completely dry out during the overnight hours tonight. Then the big story becomes cold temperatures. A freeze warning is in effect here during the overnight hours. In fact, it kicks up at 6 o'clock this evening, includes the Springs, Canyon City, Pueblo, La Junta, and Walsenburg. And look at these overnight lows that we expect to see by tomorrow morning. These are temperatures, not wind chill temperatures. 5 in Monument and Woodland Park, could be down to around 12 in the Springs and 13 in Westcliff. It has been a messy day on the roads, plenty of accidents, and we have some updated news, some breaking news on the latest on I-25. Eric Ross joins us with an update on your traffic report. Eric?
Alan, good afternoon. Thank you very much. If you don't have to get out on the roadways right now, you may just want to stay put where you are. Drivers are encouraged to avoid I-25 through the Gap project right now. This is a live look from County Line Road. CDOT posting on Twitter about half an hour ago that I-25 northbound between exit 163 and 181 is back open following a series of crashes earlier today. However, expect major delays. The speed limit through the Gap reduced to 45 miles per hour, but drivers, as you might imagine, going a lot slower. It looks like standstill traffic right there, so allow yourself a lot of extra time. And a reminder, the City of Colorado Springs, Woodland Park Police, and many other area agencies are on accident alert status. That means if you get in an accident and there are no injuries and there's no indication either driver is under the influence of drugs or alcohol, simply exchange each other's information and file an accident report online. And we want to go back outside right now, taking a live look in both Pueblo and Colorado Springs. We're getting a break from the snow right now in the Springs. Pueblo, well, you are just seeing downright cold temperatures. The winter weather blast only expected to last through today, and in typical Colorado fashion, the snow should melt tomorrow. And as we roll into snow season, News 5 has you covered. Our team is always working on air and online to bring you the latest developments. Remember, stay safe and stay here to News 5 for the latest updates.